Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Roblox error 529. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Roblox and the error code you get on the screen is 529, we are experiencing technical difficulties, please try again later. Guys, first of all, you need to check if you are using Wi-Fi internet while playing the Roblox. You just need to check your Wi-Fi is currently working properly or not. If it is working properly, guys, if you are using your mobile data, you need to check whether your mobile internet is working properly or not. For that, you just need to tap on the settings, tap on network and internet. After that, you can see here SIM card. Just click on this. You need to select the SIM card. You just once you need to enable and disable this one. After that, then go back. After that, just tap on the settings, scroll down a little bit, tap on the apps, tap on see all apps. Here you need to find Roblox. Just tap on the Roblox. Once tap on the force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage and cache. Once tap on clear cache. After that, tap on clear storage. Guys, if you know your Roblox user account and password, you just need to tap on delete. This app's data include files and settings will be permanently deleted from this device. Just tap on delete and log in your Roblox again. Hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox error 529. We are experiencing technical difficulties. Please try again later. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.